Artificial intelligence is growing faster than ever, transforming industries and changing the way we work. While it brings incredible opportunities, it also raises a serious question. What happens to human jobs? From automation replacing routine tasks to machines becoming smarter than ever before, millions of roles could be at risk. But is this the beginning of a smarter future, or a major disruption to livelihoods worldwide? In this video, we're exploring why AI could destroy millions of jobs, and what it might mean for the future of work. Today, we will talk about why AI could destroy millions of jobs, so before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel 10. Automation is advancing at an unstoppable speed. One of the biggest reasons AI could replace millions of jobs is the speed at which automation is advancing. In the past, technological changes took years or even decades to spread across industries. Today, a new AI tool can be developed, improved, and used worldwide within months. Companies are under constant pressure to become more efficient and reduce costs. When a machine can perform a task faster and cheaper than a human, businesses don't hesitate to adopt it. This rapid adoption leaves workers with very little time to adjust or retrain. What makes this even more concerning is that AI systems improve quickly. The version of AI available today will be far more advanced just a year from now. This creates a situation where jobs can disappear almost overnight, leaving workers unprepared. 9. Repetitive and routine jobs are the first-to-go. Jobs that involve repetitive tasks are the most vulnerable to automation. These are roles where the same actions are performed again and again, often following clear rules or patterns. Examples include data entry, factory work, bookkeeping, and basic customer service. AI systems can learn these patterns and perform the same tasks without mistakes, without breaks, and without needing supervision. For businesses, this is a clear advantage. Machines don't get tired, don't call in sick, and can work around the clock. As a result, many companies are already replacing human workers in these roles. Millions of people around the world depend on these types of jobs for their income. As AI continues to improve, these roles may continue to shrink, leaving many workers searching for new opportunities. 8. AI is now entering creative fields. For a long time, people believed that creative jobs would always be safe from automation. Writing, designing, music, and video production were considered uniquely human skills. But AI has started to change that. Today, AI tools can write blog posts, create marketing copy, generate images, edit videos, and even compose music. While the results may not always match the quality of human work, they are often good enough for businesses that prioritize speed and cost. This creates a serious challenge for creative professionals. Companies may choose to use AI instead of hiring designers, writers, or editors, especially for simple or repetitive projects. Over time, this could reduce the demand for entry-level creative jobs, making it harder for new talent to enter the industry. 7. Customer support is becoming fully automated. Customer service is another area where AI is rapidly taking over. Many companies now use chatbots and virtual assistants to handle customer interactions. These systems can answer common questions, process requests, and even solve problems without human involvement. They are available 24 hours a day and can handle thousands of customers at the same time. For businesses, this reduces the need to hire large customer support teams. While human agents are still needed for complex issues, the number of jobs required is much smaller. As AI continues to improve its ability to understand language and emotions, even more customer service roles could disappear. 6. AI is replacing middle-level jobs. The impact of AI is not limited to low-skill or entry-level jobs. Middle-level roles are also at risk. These include positions such as analysts, supervisors, coordinators, and administrative staff. Many of these roles involve organizing information, creating reports, and making decisions based on data. AI systems can now perform these tasks faster and more accurately. They can analyze large datasets, identify patterns, and generate reports in seconds. This reduces the need for large office teams. Instead of hiring multiple employees, companies can rely on a smaller group of workers supported by AI tools. 5. Self-driving technology could replace millions of drivers. Transportation is one of the largest job sectors in the world, and it is also one of the most at risk. Self-driving technology is improving every year. Companies are investing heavily in autonomous vehicles, including trucks, taxis, and delivery systems. If this technology becomes reliable and widely accepted, millions of drivers could lose their jobs. This includes truck drivers, delivery workers, taxi drivers, and even some public transport operators. For businesses, autonomous vehicles offer major benefits. They can operate continuously, reduce human error, and lower operating costs. The transition may take time, but once it reaches a tipping point, the impact could be massive. 4. Businesses are actively reducing dependence on human workers. One of the main goals of many companies is to reduce reliance on human labor. Employees require salaries, benefits, training, and time off. AI systems, on the other hand, can operate continuously with minimal maintenance. Once developed, they can be used across multiple areas of a business without additional cost. This makes AI an attractive option for companies looking to maximize profits. By reducing the number of employees, businesses can lower expenses and increase efficiency. As more companies adopt this approach, job opportunities may become more limited. 3. New jobs may not be created fast enough. Some people believe that AI will create new jobs to replace those it destroys. While this is true to some extent, there is a major challenge. The new jobs created by AI often require advanced technical skills. These include roles in programming, data analysis, and AI development. Many workers who lose their jobs may not have the skills needed to transition into these new roles. Earning these skills takes time, resources, and access to education. This creates a gap where jobs are lost faster than new ones are created. During this period, unemployment could rise, and many people may struggle to find stable work. 2. Small businesses are also replacing workers with AI. AI is no longer limited to large corporations. Small businesses and startups are now using AI tools to handle tasks that once required multiple employees. Marketing, accounting, customer service, and content creation can now be managed with affordable software. This allows small teams to operate efficiently without hiring large staff. As more small businesses adopt AI, the overall demand for human workers decreases. This effect spreads across the entire economy, making it harder for people to find jobs at all levels. 1. AI keeps learning and improving over time. The most powerful reason AI could replace millions of jobs is its ability to learn and improve. Unlike traditional machines, AI systems are not limited to fixed instructions. They can analyze data, learn from experience, and become more efficient over time. This means tasks that are difficult to automate today may become easy in the future. Jobs that seem safe right now could be replaced within a few years. As AI continues to evolve, its ability to handle complex and creative tasks will grow. This makes it a serious competitor to human workers in many industries. Artificial intelligence is not just another technological advancement, it is a transformation that could reshape the global workforce. While it offers many benefits, such as increased efficiency and innovation, it also raises serious concerns about job security and economic stability. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.